Today, we will use ESOX Flickify tool to create a, we hope, viral, but at least a reel formatted or TikTok formatted video automatically using the given AI tools. So what we'll do, we will, of course, we logged in on Flickify already. If you don't have an account yet, the link is in the description. It's a tool from ESOX company that allows you to generate videos using artificial intelligence. And we will create one today to promote. Here we have an offer. For example, we have developers, IT developers available. We posted this text, this social media post everywhere on our social, and we want to generate a video that we can use on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere, and of course on Humix on top of that. And Humix is the video platform that is free to create and to use from ESOIC that lets your content rank directly on search engine and compete with YouTube. So we go to Flickify, and here we create a new video. We can select horizontal or vertical, and we will now create a vertical video. In another video, we saw how to create a horizontal video. And today we'll create a vertical video, so best for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Stories, and Post. Let's do that. So now we have the choice. We can create from a web page, from an AI script, from an audio recording, or from scratch. So what we will do is we will use an AI script because we don't have a blog post, and probably if we give the LinkedIn page, first of all, it will not be able to access it because LinkedIn, you need to be usually logged in to access LinkedIn post. So we cannot actually give this post to Flickify, but what we can do is copy our content, our text message, and use it actually as context for AI script video generation. So our video is about IT, so remote IT developers available immediately. Remote, let's add experienced. So it's always the same with artificial intelligence. The more context you give, the better it is. We also have a lot of settings, topic proficiency. For example, here we want to target people that have some familiarity with the topic, but not experts. Because not everyone know, especially recruiters, in our case, they know about details of that. Formality, we want a formal professional tone. Pacing, we want it to be concise, to the point. We want, yes, we want a video to the point. We want to grab attention right away. The point here is not to get audience, get views for a long time. The point is to sell here, to generate leads. And the purpose, we can choose between inform, report, educate, explain, inspire, storytell, entertain, persuade, provoke thought. Here in our case, as we want to generate leads, sales, we probably want to either inform or educate, but we let the AI find it automatically. We can give our tone if we want, so we have a choice between various tones: analytical, creative, business, journalistic, comedic, mysterious, enthusiastic, personal, casual, nostalgic, and celebratory. So here for sure we most likely want business, but let's AI choose it by itself for this exercise so we can have a look at it. And we can add custom instructions. So in our case, nothing special. Let's put some instruction. We want to generate leads and our videos to be targeted to, let's say, IT project managers that might be looking for IT developers, and especially the ones working for startups, the ones working for startups or industry. Okay, and now let's generate. Now the script is being generated from what we said. So actually we didn't enter any detail. To enter detail, probably we should go to the last option we had before, the blank notepad. So now it is generating our script based on what we gave. Okay, and here we have a script. for the video. So the first revision, we can of course create a few revisions. Quick access to skilled remote IT developers. Description. Okay, it's good. And then we have the script that will be used in the video. Need experienced IT developers. Find top-notch developers can be a headache. There's a pool of experienced developers. It's not only developers. They bring well to the table. Okay, sounds all good. Okay, so let's continue with this revision. So here we kind of let the AI generate more or less everything. Of course, you can change all details if you want to. You can play with everything. And here we will let the AI take our vision to life. So we can choose the director, how we want it to work. We can create different types of videos, lessons and quiz, documentaries, marketing strategy, all of that. But in our case, we will let it create a simple short reel. We want a simple one. We want something to the point, easy to use. So here, Instagram reel and YouTube short, this is what we want to create. And we want it to be around 30 seconds. That's right, if possible. So we use this template. And let's see, now it is working on our video. It says it takes 2 minutes. So by experience, it doesn't take much more, but on this screen where we have the video creation process being run in the background, actually, it doesn't update automatically. So you have to reload the page. That's what we did last time because this doesn't reload by itself. I'll tell you when it's ready. So here we are reloading the page. It's not ready yet. So yeah, anyway, once the video will be generated, we will be able to publish it on our Humix video platform. You will have it for free if you create an account on Ezoic and on Humix. If you submit your website for optimization and monetization, you can have either of those. And they promote, they provide the tool Flickify to generate AI videos and Humix to publish these videos on your own platform. You can, of course, also use this video on your YouTube channel, on your social media, as we will try to do now as soon as the video has been generated. So we reload the page. It should again take less than 2 minutes. It's still working hard in the background and we just have to wait a little. So meanwhile, we can go back to check the options. So if we created one video, one vertical video, if we wanted really to input our own script, we should create a video from scratch. And here, for example, we could paste our content as context. But yeah, this is probably a little too precise for our exercise. And we reload the manage videos page. It should now be ready soon here. So the video is now ready and we can preview it, which is what we'll do. Let's preview the video. So it is again generating preview. It's sometimes easier to go on edit screen. We have been on the edit screen in another video on the channel. I invite you to check it so you can have a look. And here's the final, final. We can of course modify it, but the reel that has been prepared by Flickify. Here we have our description. So for sure we'll change the description. We want to include our contact, our link to book, schedule a call with us. So now, once the preview will have been generated, we can check it. If we like it, we can render the video. In that case, it will use some of our credits to generate the final video, or we can keep editing the video and add scenes, change content, do anything we like with this video. So here it's being generated. Maybe if we roll out the page, we will have access to the preview. So the preview is being generated in the background, and before we render the video, of course, everything is in cache and might need some time. Here we go. We have the video ready, so I play it. Maybe you will. Okay, so the point is the video is working well. You probably don't hear everything, but I share the link in the description if you want to check the final result. And that's what has been generated for us. All we have to do now is to render this video and share it on our social. So let's do that. We will now render the video. It will use 1 credit because it's less than 1 minute long. Okay, send me an email where it's rendered. And we want to upload right away to video platforms. We can select which channels we want to upload to our digital channels and our YouTube. If we had category, we could add it, but we don't have. And here we have the title and we have the description. So we want actually to change the description. And here in this description, we will put what we had here on LinkedIn, if it allows. Yes, it allows. It's just that it is very small. And here in the description, I want to have contact first. Where is the up? I want to have, I forgot to add a link to a book to schedule a call with us. So here I don't know what's happening, but let's take it here. Schedule a call. So here I want to, wait, that's not the right one. This is the correct one. Skill developers with these skills, we have hashtag, and here we want to put the schedule a call at the beginning. Here we go, and then only 1 line break. So it shows in the description without having to expand, clicking on the read more below the video. It should at least show right away the link to use to schedule a call with us, which is what we want to do. And now we can submit. So rendering will use 1 credit, which is fine. And now the video is being rendered. Once it will have been rendered, it will upload on both Humix and YouTube because we selected these platforms. And from there, so either here on Flickify, if we go to our videos, we can here use this button to download the video, and then the downloaded file can be used on other social media such as TikTok and Instagram in this case. Or, of course, you can also go to YouTube and use the download button available on YouTube for the same result. So here we go. Now we are just waiting for the video to be rendered, and you will actually see the result once you will see this video in the description. We'll add a link to check the final result on Humix and on YouTube, and eventually on social. Thanks for your attention, and enjoy creating Reels and TikTok videos using artificial intelligence and Flickify tool. Again, link in the description.